dog with my brothers.
Please up.
Why do you always do that? I swear every single one of my videos, wait, apart from one video, I swear everyone's gone phase up.
Phase up, boys.
We're not even in phase, why are you doing that?
Gucci gang, boys.
What, now you want to start a group called Gucci Gang? What would the symbol be? A G?
GG.
Gucci Gang. G. I have to do that hand because I'm holding you guys, walking the dog, and we got him out the house to keep him occupied, and next door's dog don't bark and he barks back. Rambo, come on. In the future episodes, you'll be able to see my dog. He is pretty big. He's 2 years old. He's a bulldog cross with a boxer.
It's a boxer.
The breed is called a boxer.
Yeah, boy.
Anyway, comment, like, and subscribe. In the video, comment and say if you've got any pets. I'd like to see if you do. Pets, Taylor. Pets. Rambo is a pet.
Start again.
No! This is a good video so far. Come on, boy. I don't know why I walked the dog with my older brother, who's a total bellend.
Gucci back. Phase up.
No, the Gucci. Do a Gucci symbol. It's a G. Taylor, no Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Come on, Cam.
Oh yeah, guys, and also comment down in the description if you play Fortnite and what tier are you, and if you ever bought the battle pass.
Oh well.
Talk then.
Once I get a tripod, guys, you'll be seeing some episodes on Fortnite and other stuff to do. So Fortnite, FIFA, Call of Duty.
Boys, listen, boys. I'm better than my brother at Fortnite, FIFA, and COD. No, hands down.
Yeah, you say that.
Yes,
FIFA's probably the only one you're better than me at. Oh. the dog's having a crap.
No, Rambo.
Rambo.
Hello.
I like that spit up. You need to pick it up, love.
Yes, I know.
What do you think we're doing? Come on, Karen. I'm moving over here. My dog Rambo has just taken a dump and I have to move because it stinks so bad. The reason why I'm not walking him and my brothers are is because he's absolutely so strong. I won't be able to take his strength and will just pull me over and face plant me. You're done almost. Come on, Karen.
Bloop. Get on someone's car or not? I think I need to car cam.
Yeah, with your foot. Taylor, Cam can catch up to us. Taylor, why don't we Taylor,
I'm gonna do it before.
Taylor, why don't we carry on walking, Cameron? Wait.
Just keep walking. I'm gonna catch you up.
Yeah. Come on, Taylor. Come on, boy. Wait, chase me. Chase me. Oh, the dog's not in the mood. You know me. Last time I do it.
I'm joking.
Last time I bought the dog and I wasn't recording.
Phase up, boys.
Stop, it's not phase, it's Gucci.
LG boys, LV boys. LV gang.
I've completely lost my train of thought now.
Basically, boys. Basically, guys.
No, I literally lost my train of thought because of you.
Basically, boys. This is what happened. Me and my brother last night. You know him. We got the random stuff.
The god of random stuff had to carry my older brother to a
Basically, yeah.
victory royale.
Basically, yeah. We were in creative mode. We whipped his ass.
But yeah, last time I walked the dog, I've remembered now. Last time I walked the
boys.
dog.
And also, boys, put down in the description below what's your favourite. Put down in the description below.
What is your favourite skin?
Yeah, what's your favourite skin? Pickaxe, glide out from trail.
My favourite skin. It's gotta be.
Boys, I love the new drift skin, boys.
What, Summer Drift?
Yeah, Gucci.
What? No, the girl one. The girl one or
Yeah.
the boy one?
Auto. Boys, Gucci. Phase up.
Not Phase, it's Gucci. How many times?
Welcome to the gang, boys.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take a quick. I'm gonna show you the picture of. I'm gonna show you what a dog, and you won't be seeing me for a second.
Turn the camera around.
No, it won't let me on this one.
Huh?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, look at him.
How long is it?
He's picking a turd.
Yeah, but I thought that was another
I
person.
just dropped it.
I'm gonna blitz it back down there for him.
Cam, let's see the shit, dog shit.
So hang on there. Calling you to hurry up. We've been waiting for. You just told me to shut up and go to my other brother. Taylor, do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Make sure to check my brother out on Insta. I'll tell you my one, but I can't download it on my phone. I'll get Snapchat, definitely get Snap. And Face. But so I can message and talk to you guys. Taylor,
Yeah.
Taylor, tell them what your Insta is. Taylor, tell them
Yo,
what
my
your...
boys, my name is Taylor. It's 20, Taylor 23, Taylor Allen 23, and he's got a picture of a red van. You get me?
The VW.
VW red van, boys.
Make sure to check him out.
Also, check out my Insta.
Yeah, that's your Insta.
I'm a Snapchat.
Which is?
Taylor Allen.
Is that it?
There? No, it's not.
He forgot his Snap.
Yo, boys, I've got so many media sites here.
At least you don't have TikTok.
I've got that as well.
Oh my god. What is the worst?
I've got
Comment down below, what is the worst? What's the
Rambo
worst?
he stopped!
What's the worst
He
app?
stopped!
My brother's showing. What is the worst app that you can message people on? So WhatsApp.
Xbox, PS4, Messenger.
So WhatsApp,
He stopped walking.
Facebook Messenger,
This is for you.
Snapchat, Instagram. Comment down below, like
See?
and subscribe. Don't
He's waiting for you. On the phone with me.
you go.
When he
Taylor.
stopped, he's checking if you're behind us, checking if you're okay.
Taylor, what is your favourite skin?
Skin?
Yeah, Fortnite skin.
Chicken skin.
The Tender Defender.
That little whip.
Little Whip, the ice cream. My favourite skin is either Merry Marauder,
Oh, boys, yeah, Galaxy skin, boys.
Iconic, or Scout.
Boys, listen, yeah, I'm looking to get forward to the Iron Knight. Yeah.
What? The what?
The Iron Knight skin, boys. It's one of the, it's tier 100 skin.
Oh, that's
It's-
Ultima.
Yeah, and it's red, and it used to be picture. But listen, boys, just picture the Red Knight,
But gold
but gold
and more fat.
and more muscle and a better pickaxe, which is like a sledgehammer.
Yeah. For some reason, when
Oh,
I
yeah.
when
Boys, I've just unlocked season.
10
When did the Iceberg come out? Season 7.
Iceberg.
Yeah, season 7.
Yeah, season 7.
Boys, I'm just finding unlocked season 7's Ice King skin. All
What,
gold.
maxed?
All maxed out.
That's taking you. 3 seasons to get smacked.
Yeah,
so
boys, the bottom I've been paying Forza.
Forza, FIFA, COD.
Comment down below if you pay Forza, FIFA, GTA,
COD.
I like
And
my
which
COD. I love my COD badly.
Wow, what a good joke.
See if they get
So
any.
what's on the menu?
Tartar sauce, mashed peas, chips, and fish.
Wait, well, they can play over here.
Let's come over here and look at it.
Got a better picture, boys. Better picture.
He likes to walk around and look at it.
If you see me, come on over and say hi. Come on, boy.
You don't sit very nice.
You're gonna roll over.
I'm all over the mate.
He is once we get into the grass over there. Jesus, these trees. What the heck was that?
I'm asking if they want to see a series.
Yeah, do you want me to continue the hide and seek series? Because I've been doing
No. Oh boys, do you want to see Andy?
There's a new
Do
series.
an arena series on Fortnite to get from
I
Division 1 to Division 10
7.
to Division 7.
But I don't have a tripod, so I won't be able to record that.
Well,
Put in the
digging-
comment below and see if you want me to do a Call of Duty, GTA, or all 3 once I get a tripod. Where's Rambo going? Hey, come on, boy. Comment down below if you like it. Rambo! What's that? Rambo! Oh, he's not looking at the camera, boy. Come on, Rambo. I think the little boy's tired. I say little. Oh, come on. Hey, young. He absolutely adores guns.
That's more.
Rambo, it just went down my back.
Rambo,
Oh, God, he's there.
come on.
He loves the much on grass.
It's a horse, boy.
Why didn't we walk him over the bridge? There's no grass there. You tired? Come on.
Come on, boys.
Hey, look up the hill. There. Taylor.
Yeah, I don't know.
Pen the comment below, Gucci.
Comment down if you've got a pet tiger.
When you said pet tiger, all I could think was the United Arab Emirates.
No, I think of pet tiger from Winnie the Pooh.
Bear. It's not a tiger, he's a bear. Oh my God. I used to be able to climb this. Oh, oh God. Rambo! Rambo! Comment down below, Rambo, hashtag Rambo.
Hashtag dinosaur.
No, hashtag Rambo, Taylor. Tomorrow's video would be a hide and seek. I'm trying to get all more of my brothers to join. Otherwise, I just see who's better at doing it, me and my older brother.
I'm not playing on this.
No.
Six boys.
No, my Freddie and Harry. And if I can only get Harry to play, I'll be seeing who's better at hide and seek, me or him. And comment down below that video, who do you think is better, me or him? Absolutely swollen now. Taylor, were you walking around in your bed shorts? I've only just noticed that.
Michael, could be bothered to change.
Seriously, hairy boy. Taylor, why didn't we walk down to that road and then go across because it's faster?
Boys, comment down in the description if you want my brother to face you one-on-one on Fortnite.
Gamer tag water popcorn 987.
Yeah.
Or we can just play some duos or Or you can get two of your other mates to play arena trios with us.
Or get one of you, get one other mate. Just play me and my brother on one. Yeah, better than Ninja and Tifu.
No, we're not. We're at the stand of say, Ali.
Boys, comment down in the
Because
description.
Ali is a bot.
Boys, comment down in the description if you like wrestling and tell us what's your favourite wrestler. We've got a wrestling. We've got someone
Wrestling junkie.
who does wrestling so much. One day if I win the lottery, I buy them tickets to get a box or chicken wings to watch the wrestling.
Yeah. Why is it so cold over here? And once you get to that bit over there, it's so hot.
I might have farted.
I'm going.
You get a drill.
Did you get the pan drift? Being in Fortnite as well. Come on, Rambo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Hello.
What?
What? Hello. What?
Tomorrow, like I said, tomorrow's video will be a hide and seek, and hope you enjoy that one.
In Amsterdam.
No, in our house, dipshit. And hopefully it's hot and sunny when we do that.
Comment down in the description if you want to see the rest of our family. Starting from Cameron down to the little one.
The very little one that you've seen in a few of my hide and seek videos.
Rambo.
Rambo is the youngest, being
It
2.
might be a dog, yeah, but it's my brother. We've got each other's back, didn't you, boy?
He's actually really strong. That's why I don't walk him and my other brothers do.
Because you're weak.
Because, yeah, like my brother said, I'm kind of weak.
You're weak as a tin pack, you're weak as a 12-pound note.
Can't we?
You want dinner, you start carrying.
Huh?
You want dinner, you start carrying.
Well, you get dinner when you get some, won't you? I'll give him some. We're just walking back with the dog, and yeah, we had to cross over. Because when he doesn't know people and he knows us really well, he can be really overprotective of us. I hope you enjoy and see ya!